The question is, what cleaners actually work to get tires clean? If you've got grimy tires that have oxidized and actually turned brown, a car wash soap isn't going to really have much effect. You're going to need something a lot more heavy duty. Let me explain. To remove heavy accumulation of grime, brake dust, traffic film, browning, things like this, you're going to want to look for either a dedicated tire cleaner or a degreaser. And when looking for a tire cleaner, I like to look for one that actually offers the foaming dynamic. And the reason why is because when you're cleaning the tire, a lot of the times you can tell if the tire is actually clean or you need to clean it and re-scrub it again, because the foam of a foaming tire cleaner will turn white. If it stays brown or black, that means you need to clean it again to thoroughly remove all of the old dressings, grime, traffic film, and browning. When it comes to removing old tire dressings, something that maybe has been on there for a while, you have to keep in mind that manufacturers of these types of products make them to be water resistant, and that makes them hard to remove with a soap or a tire cleaner. So here's an old school method that actually works pretty good to remove old tire dressings, and if you've got white walls or white lettering, it'll also brighten them at the same time. And that's to go old school using something like Comet or Soft Scrub. They have a gentle abrasive in there, and when you run the brush over the tire, it'll kind of break up that old tire dressing to make it easier to remove and get down to a clean rubber base, which would be perfect if you want to reapply a dressing, a conditioner, or a tire coating. As you can see with the information I just shared, choosing the right cleaner for the condition of your tires is very important. Visit our decision guide to dial in your tire cleaning process.